This is Small Business Phone Systems. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of small business phone systems, in which we'll be comparing 5 top contenders, which is OpenPhone, Google Voice, Dialpad, Ooma, and Vonage, in which each platform offers unique features and benefits designed to streamline communication and enhance productivity for small businesses. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And let's start by knowing the pricing comparison of both platforms. And as you can see on this table, OpenPhone provider starting price offer $10 per user per month with 7 days free trial, but Google Voice offer $10 per user per month and no free trial, while Dialpad offer a starting price of $15 per user per month with 14 days free trial. On the other hand, Ooma provider starting price offer $19.95 per user per month and has no free trial, while Vonage offer $19.19 per user per month and 14 days free trial. Now moving on to the features comparison of both platforms in terms of local numbers feature. OpenPhone, Dialpad, Ooma, and Vonage offer local numbers while Google Voice does not offer local numbers. And now in terms of international calling, all of these platforms offer international calling. However, Google Voice at additional rate, same as Ooma and Vonage. Now in terms of call forwarding and voicemail transcription, both platforms provided it. And also in terms of SMS support, all of those platforms offer SMS support feature. However, in terms of desktop app feature, only OpenPhone, Dialpad, and Vonage offer in desktop app feature. And also in terms of call recording feature, all of those platforms offer call recording, but Google Voice and Ooma has limitation. Now moving on to its pros and cons, starting to OpenPhone. The advantage of it is that it is cost-friendly monthly annual and pricing plans. It offers quick and easy sign-up process, modern sleek interface, AI tool summarizes calls, and offer helpful reply suggestions. And it also has daily, weekly, and monthly analytics. However, the cons of using OpenPhone is that it's limited feature access without upgrades, and the calls may get flagged as spam risk. And it has additional fees for sign-up and messaging, and it has potential downtime issues. And also, live customer support team hard to reach. Now moving on to Google Voice pros and cons. The pros of it is that it offers free numbers, make free calls to the US, it offers call and text internationally, share responsibility for incoming calls, and porting in existing numbers. While the cons of using it is that texting is available in the US only, and works only with other Google apps, and costs more than other VoIP providers. It has capped users, collaboration is also limited. Now moving on to Dialpad pros is that it offers modern interface, offers built-in AI and automation features, both AI customer center and sales agent support, and it has free 14-day trial. While the cons of using Dialpad is that it offers some AI features or add-ons, and there's a slight learning curve. Now moving on to Ooma pros and cons. Its pros is its customer support. It is easy to use setup, and custom phone system capabilities can handle traditional landlines, IP phones, and mobile devices. While the cons of using it is that it potential sign-up issues, and customer service is hit and miss, and excessive add-on fees. Now moving on to pros and cons of using Vonage. Its pros is unlimited calling and text. It offers user-friendly interface, high-grade voice quality, unlimited team messaging, and 99.999% uptime guarantee. While the cons of using it is that potential sign-up issues, customer service is hit and miss, and its excessive add-on fees. Now moving on to security and privacy comparison. OpenPhone uses Amazon Web Services for infrastructure and secures communication using 256-bit AES encryption. It supports data privacy principles such as General Data Protection Regulation, the California Consumer Privacy Act, and text messages are encrypted in transit and calls are made using WebRTC technology. However, it's not currently certified under HIPAA and PHIPA. Now moving on to Google Voice security and privacy features. Google Voice focuses on keeping user information secure and treating it responsibly, in which all incoming calls without caller ID information can be diverted to voicemail or to pre-recorded message. However, there are potential negatives ranging from privacy-related concerns to questions about reliability. On the other hand, Dialpad security and privacy features provides enterprise-level encryption with calls over VoIP network and in-transit web requests encrypted using TLS. At rest, application data is permanently stored using AES 256-bit on the Google Cloud platform. While Ooma security and privacy features offers a variety of privacy features designed to filter out unwanted calls, It also provides voicemail monitoring, allowing users to decide whether to pick up the phone after hearing what the caller has to say. However, specific security measures are not detailed. And for the last one, which is Vonage, security and privacy features maintains a wide range of compliance certifications that are independently tested and audited by third parties, including ISO 12701, PSI, TSS, SOC, HITRUST, and CSA STAR, in which it adheres to global privacy standards through the General Data Protection and other privacy laws. But the question is, who should choose OpenPhone? Well, OpenPhone is an option for to medium-sized businesses, startups, freelancers, and remote teams who value flexibility, modern communication, features, and easy integration with their current workflows. Its user-friendly design, affordable pricing options, and mobile app make it especially appealing to businesses that prioritize mobility and staying connected with both customers and team members no matter where they are. But what about Google Voice? Who should choose Google Voice? Well, Google Voice is most suitable for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses looking for a cost-effective or free communication solution with calling and messaging functions. It is particularly beneficial for those deeply embedded in the Google ecosystem, as it seamlessly integrates with Google services such as Gmail and Google Calendar. But what about Dialpad? Who should choose Dialpad? Well, Dialpad is a communication platform designed for businesses of all sizes, from startup to SMBs to enterprises. The enhanced capabilities like AI-driven voice transcription, seamless integration with business tools, and flexible scalability, making it a top pick for businesses prioritizing efficiency, productivity, and expansion. But what about Ooma? Who should choose Ooma? Well, Ooma is ideal for businesses, home offices, and entrepreneurs seeking a cost-effective voice over IP VoIP solution. Its simple setup process, affordable pricing, and feature-packed plans, making it an appealing choice for those in need of a phone service offering business functionalities without complexities or high expenses linked to phone systems. But who should choose Vonage? Well, Vonage is especially useful for businesses with operations or distributed teams, providing international calling features and flexible solutions tailored to facilitate business development and advancement. Its broad range of features encompassing communications, collaboration tools, and integration capabilities makes it well-suited for companies with communication requirements. And now, in conclusion, it's clear that each option offers benefit tailored to different business needs. OpenPhone stands out for its flexibility, modern features, and transparent pricing, making it a great fit for small to sized businesses focused on mobility and effective communication. While Google Voice provides a cost solution with calling and messaging functions that are particularly attractive to individuals and small businesses within the Google ecosystem, while Dialpad offers features and scalability for businesses of any size, especially to those with remote teams, while Ooma delivers a VoIP solution designed for businesses and home offices looking for reliability at an affordable cost, while Vonage caters to business seeking communication tools with features and global capabilities, making it a top choice for companies with diverse communication needs or international operations. But ultimately, the suitable option depends on the needs and priorities of each individual small business. So that is just the best small business phone systems. Thank you.